the final chapter. Let's have a look at the configuration and system administration for videos for Confluence. This is where we have left off in the Global Videos Hub, and I've now logged in as a system administrator onto our demo instance. And let's switch over to the system administration, general configuration. And you can see that our app adds 3 configuration pages. Let's start from the bottom in this case. First one is video statistics. And this one is intended to give you a chance at housekeeping. It lists all the spaces on your instance. In our case, it's only 2. The number of videos per space. And you can also calculate the storage size that these videos take up, just to see which space is using which amount on the storage, and to give you a chance at housekeeping. Next up is the filter configuration. We've already seen the filters during the upload of a video as metadata and during the filtering of videos. And in this case, the values for categories and target groups are predefined by the system administrator. This is in contrast to the labels, where the uploading user is able to define new labels as he or she goes, but categories and target groups are identical throughout the entire instance. This is just to make sure that the videos are properly categorized and that it's easy to find them based on this metadata. And last but not least, actually the most important part, the storage configuration. You will have to do this before you are able to upload your very first video to Confluence and to our app, because probably every Confluence administrator knows the feeling. Videos are usually large in size, and it's simply not possible to raise the upload limit for the entire Confluence and to store videos as attachments. It will clog up the file system and it will make the backup cumbersome or almost impossible. That's why we are offloading videos with 2 options, either to a dedicated file system attached to the Confluence service, as we have chosen here for our demo instance, or directly to the cloud. I'll go for the cloud option right now and configure an S3 bucket to offload the videos to. All I need to this end is an S3 bucket prepared and an IAM user with access to S3 for a certain AWS account. I have already copied the secret access key. Let's give it in here. And let's get the access key ID as well. I'll then select the appropriate region and test the credentials. If they are valid, then you can choose either to create a new bucket or select an existing one. And when you click verify, our app will just upload a very small test file and make sure that it's also able to save videos on this S3 bucket. This is how easy it is to offload your videos to either dedicated storage on a file system or to the cloud. Thank you very much, and check out Videos for Confluence on the Atlassian Marketplace.